everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I started out with my eyebrows covered and my contacts in, and I started painting myself this dark green color, and you might catch it there. I was just like, what the hell? Because my camera cut out and it didn't record any of me painting myself green. So it's a good thing I didn't finish the entire look before noticing, but sorry I lost that footage there. But you get the gist of it. Just paint yourself green. Try the best you can to make it even. Definitely still working on that, but I'm trying my best. And then here I'm going in with a teal shade to highlight, because I wanted to bring in some of that bluey green color without painting myself teal. I think highlighting with a color that you want to accentuate is always a good idea when you don't want the predominant color to be the color you're highlighting with. Obviously this doesn't work, like if you're painting yourself orange and you want to highlight with purple, that won't work. But if you're doing something like painting yourself red, you can highlight with orange or yellow and add a different hue to the piece without changing the color tone. So here I'm adding cheeks, forehead, nose, lips, chin. I tried to add a collarbone. It didn't work out that well, but I tried my best. And I'm just going back and forth blending that light blue color with the green color. And then I dipped into the white just a little bit to brighten it up just a tiny bit more. And then I do go in and I try to add some highlighting to my, I don't know, neck bones, whatever those are called. And then I tried to add cleavage and that didn't work. So just ignore all of this. And here I'm using Nicole's palette that she did in collaboration with Spoiled Lips Cosmetics. And my eyes were watering just a little bit. So I had to fix the paint job under my eyes, but that's fine. And here I'm just using the white P. Louise base to carve out my eye shape. Kind of going for a dramatic, not cat eye, but comes to a point, kind of teardrop shape. And this does go up into my eyebrows, hence why I blocked out my eyebrows. I decided not to draw in eyebrows then with the finished look. I don't know, I just like the attention on the eyeshadow, so I didn't add eyebrows. So I just dipped into the white a little bit there to set the front part of the base. And then I'm going in with the black in the palette and starting the outer V of the eyeshadow, and this brush was giving me some difficulty, so then I switched to a different brush and it worked out a lot easier. Trying to get a nice gradient from black to white. There's also a gray in the palette, and here I'm just dipping into the gray to mix the black and white together. I really like how striking this monochromatic makeup looks on top of a very colorful base. That combined with the contacts created a very unique and distinct look, and I was really happy with it. Alright, and here I'm just going in with the Melt cream liners. Here I'm taking the silver on a little brush, and I'm going to outline the upper edge of my eyeshadow just to add something shiny while sticking with the white, gray, silver, black theme I have going here. And then I come back with those both done, and here I'm going in with the black liner also from Melt, and I'm gonna do the lash line to the outer point. And here I come back. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of the lipstick, but I just lined my lips and then added black on the outside and then white on the inside and puckered my lips until it blended. Here I'm adding some highlighter, and I also threw on a wig. This is actually a vampire wig from Walmart. It was only $5, and then I styled it up with a hairdryer and lots of hairspray, so I made it work. And here's my Bride of Frankenstein look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's kind of a quick one. I also have some photos of it up on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Halloween!